So now let's see how we can work around with blend option inside of CapCut desktop editor. So to do that, I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say for example, this video clip over here, just like this. And you can see that this video is here. So now over here on the top, you have this video, and over here on the bottom, you have this video right here. So what you can do right now is you can go around and blend them together as well. So if I were to go around onto opacity, I can make it transparent, as you can see right here. But what I can also do is I can blend them out together. So for that, over here, you can see that mode is set to normal, but instead of normal, I can brighten it out. When you brighten it out, you notice that something happens right here. You can see that the skies are seen while the mountains disappear. So what brighten does is it makes the black parts of a particular layer transparent, while the bright parts like sky right here, it is opaque right here. So you can go around and work around with brighten over here just like this. Screen works in a similar way, but it adds onto the color as well and makes it brighter. Then you got darken right here, and in darken what happens is that the bright parts right here gets transparent, as you can see right here, while the dark parts right here becomes opaque. Similarly, you got overlay right here, just like this, which makes the dark part shown more, but it is more transparent right here. Then you got hard light, which makes the bright parts transparent again, but blends out the dark parts in a different way. And soft light blends out everything together, and again the bright parts are more transparent. Color burn adds up all the colors, and for the bright parts, what happens is that it is more transparent, while the dark parts blend in onto the clip beneath it right here. And you can work around with the opacity as well, and linear burn right here makes it much more darker. Color dodge right here really goes around and then dodges out the color. As you can see that the bright part makes the footage below it much more brighter, while the dark part remains transparent. Then you got multiply, which actually adds up the colors, and the dark part becomes more darker and the bright part right there becomes more transparent. And that is how you can go around and utilize the blend option inside of CapCut desktop editor to blend out the footages or even other layers together. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.